Exception handling in Java. The exception handling in Java is one of the powerful mechanism to handle the runtime errors so that normal flow of the application can be maintained. In this page we will learn about Java exceptions, its type and the difference between checked and unchecked exception. What is exception in Java? Dictionary meaning exception is an abnormal condition. In Java, an exception is an event that disrupts the normal flow of the program. It is an object which is thrown at runtime. What is exception handling? Exception handling is a mechanism to handle runtime errors such as class not found exception, IOE exception, SQL exception, remote exception, etc. Advantage of exception handling. The core advantage of exception handling is to maintain the normal flow of the application. An exception normally disrupts the normal flow of the application. That is why we use exception handling. Let's take scenario. Let's take a scenario. Statement 1, statement 2, semicolon, statement 3, semicolon, statement 4, semicolon, statement 5, semicolon, double slash, exception occurs, statement 6, semicolon, statement 7, semicolon, statement 8, semicolon, statement 9, semicolon, statement 10, semicolon. Suppose there are 10 statements in your program and there occurs an exception at statement 5. The rest of the code will not be executed, that is statement 6 to 10 will not be executed. If we perform exception handling, the rest of statement will be executed. That is why we use exception handling in Java. Hierarchy of Java exception classes. The java.lang throwable class is the root class of Java exception hierarchy, which is inherited by two subclasses, exception and error. The hierarchy of Java exception classes are given below. The throwable class is divided into exception and error. Error is divided into three types: stack overflow error, virtual machine error, and out of memory error. Then exception is divided into four types: IOE exception, SQL exception, class not found exception, runtime exception. Again, runtime exception is divided into arithmetic exception, null pointer exception, number format exception, index out of bounds exception. Index out of bounds exception is again divided into two types: array index out of bounds exception, string index out of bounds exception. Types of Java exceptions. There are mainly two types of exceptions: checked and unchecked. Here an error is considered as the unchecked exception. According to Oracle, there are three types of exceptions. First, checked exception, second, unchecked exception, third, error. Difference between checked and unchecked exception. First, checked exception. The classes which directly inherit throwable class except a runtime exception and error are known as checked exceptions. For example, IO exception, SQL exceptions, etc. Checked exceptions are checked at compile time. Second, unchecked exception. The classes which inherit a runtime exception are known as unchecked exceptions. For example, arithmetic exception, null pointer exception, array index out of bounds exception, etc. Unchecked exceptions are not checked at compile time, but they are checked at runtime. Third, error. Error is irrecoverable. For example, out of memory error, virtual machine error, assertion error, etc. Java exception keywords. There are 5 keywords which are used in handling exceptions in Java. Keyword description. Try. The try keyword is used to specify a block where we should place exception code. The try block must be followed by either catch or finally. It means we can't use try block alone. Catch keyword. The catch block is used to handle the exception. It must be preceded by try block, which means we can't use catch block alone. It can be followed by finally block later. Finally, the finally block is used to execute the important code of the program. It is executed whether an exception is handled or not. Throw keyword. The throw keyword is used to throw an exception. Throws keyword. The throws keyword is used to declare exceptions. It doesn't throw an exception, it specifies that there may occur an exception in the method. It is always used with method signature. Java exception handling example. Let's see an example of Java exception handling where we using a try catch statement to handle the exception. Public class Java exception example in curly bracket public static void main in brace bracket string args square brackets curly bracket in curly brackets try in curly bracket double slash code that may raise exception in data is equal to 100 divided by 0 semicolon catch in brace bracket arithmetic exception e in curly bracket system dot out dot println in brace bracket is semicolon double slash read code of the program system dot out dot println in brace brackets in double inverted comma rest of the code semicolon output exception in thread main java dot lang dot arithmetic exception colon divided by 0 rest of the code dot dot dot. In the above example, 100 divided by 0 raises an arithmetic exception which is handled by try catch block. Common scenario of Java exceptions. There are given some scenarios where unchecked exceptions may occur. They are as follows. First scenario where arithmetic exception occurs if we divide any number by 0, there occurs an arithmetic exception int a is equal to 50 divided by 0 semicolon double slash arithmetic exception. Second, a scenario where null pointer exception occurs if we have a null value in any variable performing any operation on the variable throws a null pointer exception string s is equal to null semicolon system dot out dot print ln in brace bracket is dot length dot brace bracket semicolon double slash null pointer exception. Third, a scenario where number format exception occurs. The wrong formatting of any value may occur. Number format exception. Suppose I have a string variable that has a characters. Converting this variable into digit will occur. Number format exception string s is equal to in double inverted comma abc semicolon int I is equal to integer dot parse int in brace bracket s semicolon double slash number format exception. Fourth, a scenario where array index out of bounds exception occurs. If you are inserting any value in the wrong index, it would result in array index out of bounds exception as shown below. Int a in square bracket is equal to new int in square brackets 5 semicolon a in square bracket 10 is equal to 50 semicolon double slash array index out of bounds exception.